In STEM, we have designed multiple things such as a bottle opener, and we have designed kind of how to make a robot hand. In that design, we did it out of cardboard and some other materials. We are planning on designing much more, and we are planning on 3D printing some of our designs soon. We have also decided that we can do much more in 3D print. So STEM has been good.
Hi, my name is Asher and I am from the STEM group in Greenfield Elementary. With my class, I've created a prosthetic hand and a bottle and can opener for the 3D printer at my school. I made mistakes and had a bit of trouble with creating them along the way, but my work turned out fine and I was able to use it when I was finished.
Hi, I think that designing things on Tinkercad is hard because there's not the exact shape that you want, or sometimes there's not really, the sketch doesn't really work as well, and it's hard to get the exact same thing as everything. And I think that, in my opinion, I think it'd be really hard to actually design something as well as prosthetic arm because it just takes so long and it would take a lot of time.
So for my project, I made 2 can openers. One of them was for opening one of those like twisty things, kind of like on a Coke can, I guess. And then the other one for opening normal can lid. An idea I had for a different project was like a prosthetic finger that could like be its own can opener and do some stuff.
Hi, welcome to Virtual STEM Night. I am Ezra and I'm doing a 30-second video for Ultra Maker Kira and my design process. This is just a bottle opener, what we made in class for this last week. It was really easy to make, just used a lot of different functions, and I made it. And the website I made it on was in I can't remember. Probably one of my other classmates will do it. Anyway, this is my presentation for my part of the design process. Bye!
In our STEM club, we have been designing things with 3D printing that can help other people who have a harder time with stuff. So I designed this bottle opener, and you place it under, and you pull up on it, and it makes it easier. So we've also been deciding to go further on this too and design some other things with Tinkercad to 3D print.